Hello, this is Cherrie with the Cherrie and Zach team over here at Next Home Real Estate Rockstars. Open houses. As a home seller, not all sellers want an open house, and some sellers love an open house. Let me tell you why our open houses are a little bit different. Now, we're going to have your property go viral with all of our marketing efforts through targeted ads, social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Zillow algorithms, everything that I talked about in our previous marketing video. We are going to have that property go viral. And when doing so, we're going to advertise that open house. So the good old days of just putting the house in the MLS and putting some signs up and hoping someone shows up, maybe we get a couple neighbors and maybe we get some looky-loos, that's going to be eliminated. The buyers that we're going to have show up to your home already know the price. They already know the details. It was put in front of their face through artificial intelligence. We know that they're likely to purchase a home in your community based on the algorithms and the artificial intelligence that our marketing has done for us. So the open house strategy for us is a lot different than the standard open house strategy. We're not looking for the looky-loos. We're not looking for the neighbors. We're looking for the highly likely to purchase a home person. And with our viral marketing, we're able to accomplish that. We do also door knock the neighborhood. We'll door knock about 100 homes around the home to invite all of the neighbors. Because what happens is the neighbors come anyways. And oftentimes they say, hey, I'm looking for a friend or I'm looking for somebody that wants to live in the community. While that may be the truth, they also might be looking just for design ideas. That breaks the ice. So then that way we can focus our time, energy, and effort on the buyer who's looking at the home and not the neighbor who's a looky-loo, which may be you coming to visit my open house. Now, that's okay if there's a body that's in the open house who's not planning on purchasing it. We're building momentum and excitement. The more bodies we can have in the home during the open house, the one serious buyer is going to feel like there's so much excitement about that home and there's so much competition that they're going to write an offer that is the strongest offer possible because they saw 4 or 5 different bodies in the home. So inviting the neighbors, inviting your friends and family, viral marketing, having reverse prospecting done. If we do all of the marketing efforts correctly, we're not just going to get those looky-loos and the neighbor in the home. We are going to get very serious buyers who plan to make an offer. Our open house strategy is the best. I would love to have a detailed marketing plan for you and your home. If you're thinking about interviewing agents, I'd love to talk to you. Have a great day. Bye.